Christian School family. I am going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to log into the Abeka Proteach software system and how to access your videos. So the first thing you want to do is up on your web address, type in the website at school.abeka.com. The periods there do matter. If they're not in the right spot, the website will not work. So when you get there, you'll come to this page. You'll want to scroll down to the welcome here. You want to click dashboard. When you click dashboard, you'll be prompted to log in. Your teacher will tell you what that login is. So for instance, the one for kindergarten is LCS K5. The password is Liberty 2020 with the capital L. Go ahead and click that button here to log in. It'll take me to this screen. I'll come back up to dashboard again and down to video streaming. I'll click on video streaming. When I get here, I will click the grade. So again, I'm on kindergarten right now, so click K5. Choose a subject, so we'll go with numbers, and then choose a lesson. So if this is the first day, we'll go to lesson 1. We will click restart here from the beginning. I've already tested this, that's why that popped up. And then the video loads right here, Mrs. Reese, and you can see the video's just under 20 minutes long. Click play. This is where it's loading here.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to check and see how we are doing in our...
And feel free to pause it, or you can rewind to watch certain parts over again if you're struggling with certain concepts. And then you'll watch what the subject is assigned. So if we did numbers first, and then let's say we also got assigned phonics, we click on phonics again. Let's say we're on day 2. The video will pop up again. And this one's right at 20 minutes.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to do some practice.
Take it up to full screen, volume, again, rewind, pause, so that way you can watch it multiple times if you're struggling with the concept. And so, yeah, pretty easy system here. If you have any questions, feel free to message Jason Williams or Jonathan Williams on MySchoolWorx if you have trouble logging in. If you have a question about the content that's assigned, meaning what subject or what lesson, take those questions directly to the teacher. But if you have login questions, take that to Jason Williams or Jonathan Williams. So thanks for watching. Hopefully we have a good year online, and hopefully the virus goes away. We can get back in person soon. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.